Pulled into looks like a shopping center. First left off of Clinton, back behind the shopping center. Maybe getting ready to ditch it. Yep, think he's going to ditch it. He is. Yeah, he's getting out right now. Alright, he's bailing out. He's running on foot. The vehicle's still rolling. He is running into the wooded area. Quick, see if we got a street name for it. If someone can come up past this Dodge dealership and make a right, and then you'll be in the neighborhood where he's at. Yeah, unfortunately it's an unnamed street, so I'm just going to try to keep an eye on him.
Everyone is just everyone else, 1031.
Alright, he's back out of the house. He ran back behind the shed. He looks like he's trying to jump in a van behind that residence. I'll let you know in a second. Get ready. Someone get some stop sticks out at the entrance, please. Alright, the van is backing out. It's starting to come out. It's behind the shed. I'll let you know it's starting to come out from behind that residence. Right now, you should be able to see it coming down the driveway in a matter of seconds. Coming around the corner right now. He jumped into it.
Who's the car driving through?
This, okay.
He's got a gun! He's got a gun! He's got a hostage!
Hey! Hands! Hands!
He's got a hostage! Boy, come here.
Hey, he carjacked that old man.
Tom, he's got a hostage!
I got no.
Back passenger door's open. Looks like he's out of the vehicle. He's trying to get into it. He's on the ground. Watch your hands. Watch your hands, guys. He's got something in his hand. Watch out for him. He's on foot.
Get on the ground. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! He's got a gun. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Lay it on the ground! Lay on the ground! Lay on the ground! Get on the ground! Get the down! Stay down!
Somebody get stop sticks ready. Boy! Where's he at? Is it this van right here behind us? Hey. Who's the car driving through?
This, okay.
He's got a gun! He's got a gun! He's got a hostage!
Hey! Hands! Hands!
He's got a hostage! Boy, come here.
He carjacked that old man.
Tell him he's got a hostage! He's got a hostage!
I got no.
Hey, let's load up. Come here. Load up, buddy. He's got a gun! He's got a gun! He's got a hostage!
Hey! Hands! Hands!
He's got a hostage!
Hey, he carjacked that old man.
He's got a hostage!
I got no. I got. Get on the ground. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! He's got a gun. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Lay it on the ground! Lay on the ground! Lay on the ground! Get on the ground! Get the down! Stay down! Stay the down! Stay down! Hold your fire! Stay down! Back here! Shots fired! Shots fired! Stay the down! Get up here! Get up here! Give me cover!